Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet. In this video I will be sharing with you how I made a triple puff organza off shoulder sleeve. So here is my organza. I have 1.5 yards of organza here and I folded it into 4. Then for the length of my sleeve I am working with 23 inches length. I added 15 inches to that, making it 38. So the 15 inches is for the balloon. That is what is going to help the balloon come out. So if I was using only one, if it was only one puff, I will add 5 inches. If it were only 2, I will add 10 inches. But because we are working with 3 here, I added 15 inches. So next off, I'm dividing the organza into 2. I think I have about 14 inches on fold for each sleeve. So after dividing into 2, I kept the other piece aside. So we're going to be working with one first and then the other later. So I folded it back into 2 and I'm going to stretch it out with an iron. So next off, on the open end, I'm going to place my finished off-shoulder armhole at this edge, the open end, and then trace it out. But if you look where I left about 1 inch on the side, which is what we are going to use to join the sleeve together later on. So I just trace it out like so and then cut it out. So next off, I divided the 38 we got into 3. I got about 12 point something, but I'm marking 12 here, so 12 from the top, then 12 from that 12 inches point, and then the last one is more than 12, but we're going to leave it like that. So we're going to make an elastic casing. First off, I'm drawing the lines across, as you can see, after which I will make an elastic casing for the top and then for those 2 lines, and then for the down part we're just going to fold it over, leaving space enough for a 1 inch elastic to pass through. So here are they all done, all the elastic casings, and then I folded the down part like so. So another way you can do this is by cutting 2 for each sleeve and then turning them together in the same way you would turn something with a lining, and then you just make lines across. After marking your 12 inches point, you just make 2 lines at each point to form the elastic casings like that, instead of using strips like I did. So next off, I have my elastic pieces here. So I just cut 8 inches elastic pieces for the three spaces, and then for the wider elastic I made it 6.5. So the wrist of the person I'm working with is about 7, so I just made that 6.5. The other ones I just made them 8. So it's for a really slim person. Her bicep is 12 inches or thereabout. I just made 8 and it worked. It just saved me all that calculation. Meanwhile, have you subscribed to my channel yet? Please subscribe if you haven't already. It means a lot to me. Also, give this video a like. It's going to help more people see it. Thank you. So I'm using a safety pin to pass the elastic pieces through all of the elastic casings. We're going to do that on each and every one of them. What am I saying? Okay.
I'm walking around in the circle of life, doing the things I know, walking the same ways 100 times with the same soul. But do you ever try to path on the right side, put it up in your mind? But do you ever try to path on the left side, put it up in your mind? You run, drive, roll your mind. 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 Seeing all the watering, filling your eyes, doing the things they know, talking about the same old stories they've heard about the people they think they know. But do you ever try to path on the right side, put it up in your mind? But do you ever try to path on the left side, put it up in your mind? You run, drive, roll your mind. You run, drive, roll your mind. You run, drive, roll your mind. You run,
So after passing all of the elastic pieces into the various casings, you're going to fold them into two right sides together and join the side seams. And this is what we have. The next stuff, you add it to your armhole, and that's it. It's as simple as that. So here's my armhole, and I'll just go ahead and pin it. And yeah, if I have a video on how to cut an off the shoulder bustier, which is what I have here. So I will leave the link in the description box below. Do check it out if you want to know how we got to this point where we are attaching the sleeve. So after pinning, you take it to your machine and sew it, and that's it. Your sleeve is ready. Okay, this is what it's going to look like. Please like, share, comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.